Hi guys, it's Betu. Welcome to my YouTube channel and my daily vlog.
Good morning guys, here's my first daily vlog and I'm so happy to see you here. Today I will take you shopping with me and say my quick breakfast. I wanted to try Gordon Ramsay's famous scrambled eggs today. I can't show to his recipe. I put some butter and creamy cheese in the eggs, but I didn't do the 30 seconds on and off part correctly. Maybe that's why they weren't as creamy as his. Well, I failed, forgive me Gordon Ramsay. But I put some tomatoes, olives and cucumbers to make it more healthier, and of course Turkish tea. And you know what? I will try my best next time, but it was delicious anyway. Well, it will be a girly solo day, and I started by giving my hair a bit of volume because my hair is really straight and I like my curls in an old-fashioned style. Like every other girl, I don't have anything to hair, and I don't know how this is possible because I shop a lot. I tried to find something that I like, but this happens, well, this is the final outfit, and I wanted to keep it chic, basic and classic with a black bag. I think looks okay. Let's go. It's a beautiful sunny day in Istanbul. I started to walk to the center and filmed a couple of shots of Üsküdar to show you where I grew up. It's one of the oldest and most popular areas in Istanbul. I love how close I am to Bosphorus and walking by the seaside. I'm going to the subway to get to the shopping mall. It's so crowded, but I'm not surprised actually because more than 18 people live in this city. It's crazy. I waited in the line to get inside quickly. It's a bit challenging to film outside because everyone looks at me like a weirdo. Anyway, I know it seems cringe sometimes, but to be honest, I don't care.
Today I'm looking for an outfit, comfy, casual and timeless elegance. It needs to be chic but suitable for daily wear at the same time. And I think I can describe my style like this, and I have some Pinterest pictures that inspired me. So I will try to find something like that which I can combine with lots of things. I used to buy things because I just like them, but after that I would end up with not able to wear them with my other clothes, or they would out of style so quickly, so it's waste of money. So wish me luck and let me know what you're thinking, and also excited to show you my other passion, styling and fashion, and maybe I can do another vlog and I can name it like I'm just a girl. Let's go.
The first top I tried, I really liked. I prefer this kind of style, but it was so tight that I felt like I couldn't be comfortable in it. The second top was something I've been looking for.
I think I'm going to buy this one because it's really casual. I can wear a skirt, I can wear jeans, I can do booties. Kinda like this one.
This one, I don't have any idea why I tried it anyway. Nope. Don't judge me when I'm looking for something casual but end up trying on a super chic red top because I really love red. This one made me think, but it's not the one.
Maybe.
Black skirt is really what I've been looking for, casual and comfy. The last one made me think a lot. It's really elegant and comfy and I love the color of it.
I really love this one though. So cute.
Well, I will show you which one I bought when I get home, but before I got home I have my Turkish coffee. I was too serious because I was thinking I hope I bought the right outfit.
Well, this is the final outfit I chose today. Maybe something like this. Depends of my mood, I think. I think this gives more summer vibe. If I wear something more, casual shoe, because these ones are really chic though. Maybe something like no, I look like teacher. I can make it more casual. Not sure about this one. This one is much more better, I think, but not so casual. I don't know, I look more chic. I like it, but I can make it more casual. Definitely is more casual this way, really. Okay, this one looks more casual. I know the skirt is really looks mini though, but it's short inside actually, so it's really comfortable. I'm going to call this outfit going out for drink coffee with my best friends and talk about things which we talk a million times on the phone and act like we never talk about it. Girls understand me. And you know what, kind of like this vlog because probably next time I'm going to do something like this and I'm going to decide and look to Pinterest and, you know, inspire a couple of stuff, because when you go shopping you just buy something because you just like it, but when you come home actually you realize, oh my god, you can't wear or you can't combine with your other clothes. So I think this is really good idea to, before you go shopping, make sure what you're going to buy or make sure it's going to be matched with your other clothes. The girls, they're asking like, oh my god, I don't have anything to wear because of this. And I know it looks like just one basic grey top and one basic, you know, black skirt, but it's timeless. You can wear it after 5 years, and that's the beautiful thing about it. And now I want to wear my pajamas and want to go and eat my mom's food, because since I come back to my country I really love to eat my mom's food because I miss that so much. And please rate my outfit.
I love homemade lentil soup, especially if my mom cooked it. Putting some lemon on it, it's so Turkish. After my long travels to Thailand, I started to eat more spicy foods. I used to hate spicy food before, but to be honest, I really like it right now. I got some rice and added meat and mixed vegetables, so Turkish again. Put in just a little bit. Okay, one more. Maybe one more. Looks so delicious. And of course, we eat everything with yogurt. Don't ask why, it's just our thing in here. We are obsessed with yogurt, and I think it makes every meal more delicious.
That time, not me.
Before I go to bed, I clean my makeup and wash my face with La Roche-Posay. Then I dry my face and put on my La Roche-Posay Duo cream for moisturizing. This cream is my favorite so far. I've been using it for 2 years. It makes my skin stable and smells so good. Kinda expensive, but trust me, it's worth it. I read my book before I go to sleep, and thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.